Live for teacher.
What is on my face? In this story, we're going to learn 58 new words. We will also learn vocabulary related to face parts, forehead, eyes, ears, nose, cheeks, lips, chin, head, common objects and food, chocolate, cookie, sticker, toothpaste, banana. Describing words, red, sleepy, funny, small, strange, purple, daily actions. Wash, laugh, feel, remember, smell. Everyday actions. Wake up, look, touch. I wake up early in the morning. I feel something strange on my face. I go to the mirror to check. I look at myself and say, "What is on my face today?" First, I see my forehead. It has a small red dot. Then I see my eyebrows. They go in different directions. My eyes look sleepy, but also a little funny. I turn my head and see my ears. There are two stickers on them. One is a star and one is a cat. Where do these stickers come from? I touch my nose. It smells like toothpaste. Did I forget to wash my face last night? My cheeks have chocolate on them. I remember I eat cookies in bed again. My lips are purple. Maybe I drink grape juice before sleeping. I look at my chin. There is a long cat hair. My cat loves to sleep on my face at night. Finally, I check my head. There is a banana peel on it. I laugh. How is this possible? Every morning, my face is different. It is like a mystery game, but it always makes me smile.
Live for teacher.
Thank you. And now, quiz time. Ready? Click on the next link.